English practice with Lengo cards. 10 airport words with examples. Timetable.
I checked the flight timetable to see when my flight is scheduled to depart.
Check-in.
I need to go to the check-in counter to get my boarding pass before I can board my flight.
Self-check-in.
I prefer to use self-check-in because it's faster and more convenient than waiting in line at the counter.
Terminal.
My flight leaves from Terminal 2.
Boarding time.
My boarding time is at 1:30 p.m., so I need to be at the gate before that time.
Flight.
My flight to New York is delayed.
Delay.
When a flight is late because of bad weather or other problems, this is called a delay.
Boarding pass.
I printed my boarding pass before arriving at the airport.
Cancelled.
My flight has been cancelled due to bad weather.
Duty free.
I like to shop at the duty-free stores at the airport to get some souvenirs and gifts for my friends and family.